Disaster recovery today is no more a luxury. It has become an integral part of any IT infrastructure setup for an organization. From being an IT initiative, today disaster recovery is being discussed more into the boardrooms. The whole business of an organization depends on disaster recovery and how ready the organization is in a situation of a disaster to cope up and back to business in the shortest amount of time. Challenges organizations face primarily in deploying DR is all the technologies that are involved and the processes which one needs to implement and various compliances that one needs to take care of. And these challenges really make it difficult for organizations. To add to this, a capex investment by an organization which may or may not get used for a longer period really makes the decision even more difficult. So to address this kind of situation is where DR as a service really helps, which is offered purely on OPEX basis, and the services and the complexity is basically taken out by Sanovi and NetMagic as joint partners. Sanovi offers a very tried and tested comprehensive set of tools to really help deliver DR as a service. I think with a robust dashboard which tells you on the RTO, RPO that can be achieved, it's really one of the industry leading solutions. To add to that, NetMagic combines its strength in IT infrastructure with its multiple data centers across the country. Customers can both host their primary and DR with NetMagic. So as a combination, Sanovi and NetMagic have come together jointly to offer DR as a service, to offer a seamless experience to the customers and give them the confidence that their IT infrastructure and what they are really investing and paying for is really going to deliver them results when they really need it. These services can be availed by customers whether you are hosting in a third party or you're in-house. To add to that, we bring in a complete cloud strategy in the picture, which allows you to really leverage the pay as you grow benefits. NetMagic Cloud with integrated Sanovi application tools really makes the life much easier. Another aspect to this is we can also help you create a hybrid infrastructure where you can do a combination of physical dedicated hardware and cloud based on your performance requirements of your applications. So as a whole, we want to guarantee that not only your applications come up, but they deliver you the required performance even at the disaster recovery site. Leveraging our dedicated investments or resources, we have really made a lot of joint go-to-market along with Sanovi, and this has really resulted in good output with us acquiring customers across multiple verticals. We'll continue to invest in this the whole program to cross-train salespeople to make sure the product roadmaps are aligned to each other, and continue to develop this as a larger business for both the organizations.